Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your system so repair won't cost data. Make a quick file backup now and plug in a recovery USB. Once done, restart and boot from the Windows installation media. This forces access to repair tools when the OS won't start. You select language and choose Repair Your Computer. This loads the recovery environment. Make sure your laptop is plugged in and internet is available if you plan to download updates during repair. These steps save time and you now use the recovery environment's advanced options to target the problem. Start with Startup Repair because it automatically fixes common boot issues. If that doesn't help, choose System Restore to revert to a known good point. This undoes recent bad updates or drivers. If deeper work is needed, open Command Prompt and run bootrex/fixmber, bootrex/fixboot, and sfc/scano. These repair boot records and system files. Work stepwise, testing boot after each major action. You finish by removing the install media and rebooting. Once Windows starts, run Windows Update and Device Manager to ensure drivers and patches are current. If problems persist, choose Reset this PC with Keep My Files to reinstall Windows while preserving data, or perform a full clean install as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip. Run chkdsk/f and inspect smart data for disk failure. Hardware issues mimic software faults, so rule out a failing drive before repeating repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.